Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Oscar from Tours Excursion Vallarta. I'm here in Puerto Vallarta giving you updates about the current situation in Puerto Vallarta. I know you are wondering if still is good idea to travel to Puerto Vallarta, coming here to Puerto Vallarta, or plan your vacation for the next month or weeks. And I give you more information about what's happening right now because I have image about what's going on in the restaurants, on the streets, on the beach, here in Los Muertos in Puerto Vallarta, the most famous beach here in Puerto Vallarta. So stay in this video. I'm gonna give you more details about the current restrictions right now and if it's worth it to come here to Puerto Vallarta. Before to give you more information, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, activate all the notifications, forget the latest news here in Puerto Vallarta or Nuevo Vallarta. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, like to my fan page on Facebook, obviously, and I have new channel on TikTok as Tours Excursion Vallarta. So follow me on my social network too. I'm going to show you some image about Puerto Vallarta, what's going on right now on the beaches of Puerto Vallarta. And of course it's true, the cases of COVID-19 is growing up here in the city, but we are not a big city. We are almost 300,000 people living here in Puerto Vallarta. So our cases per day are like mostly, or max cases here is 90 cases per day. Not all the cases needs to go to the hospitals. We only have one death in 3 weeks. So, but this is too much for us because we haven't any death. So in the last 4-6 months. So for us, it's too much right now. So that's our warning for us here in Puerto Vallarta. We are not the same like Cancun. Cancun has a lot of cases, more than Puerto Vallarta. Obviously, it's more international Cancun than Puerto Vallarta. We can compare the cities. But they have more people coming to the city, enjoying the nice beaches over there in Cancun, and they get COVID. So that's here in Puerto Vallarta does not happen. So I think if you are thinking to travel to Puerto Vallarta, this is the best destination for you right now. Because like all my customers came in here in Puerto Vallarta, do the COVID test, and they are negative. So they are good to go or to come back to their hometowns. And this is great for our tourists here in Puerto Vallarta. It's happened that a friend of mine, near of mine, is getting the COVID and they are young. So the situation here, that the third wave that we are suffering here in Puerto Vallarta or in Mexico City, for us is not too big. It's not too big problem right now. This warning, this travel advisory in the last video is because we want to give you an advice that the case is going up and take care about you. Meanwhile, your vacation here in Puerto Vallarta is only that. You can still enjoy the nice beach in Puerto Vallarta, nice sunset. Remember, it's coming more rainy season. Like yesterday when I showed this image, was very clear, very hot, sunny, and right now is very great the day. So it's gonna change. It's the weather is changed from one day to another. Sometimes the morning is raining, or sometimes the morning is very clear and all day is very clear, but with always hot and a lot of humidity. What you need to know to come into Puerto Vallarta, the current situation is still normal, or with this new abnormal. You need to wear mask for enter in all kind of business. But if you are in a public area, it's okay to take off the mask. Don't worry about that. But if this public area is too crowded, the recommendation is to use it. So follow the recommendation. Use antibacterial gel as much as you can. If you touch some people, or if you touch some money, or if you touch part of the door, public door, like for example, just use the antibacterial gel and you'll be okay. A lot of restaurants has a lot of people inside, so the authority right now are watching of this business that has lack of these restrictions. So they're gonna put a warning, and to the third warning they're gonna shut down forever. So that's the situation. It's more harsh situation for the business than the visitor. You can still enjoy Puerto Vallarta at fullest. So if you're thinking to come here to Puerto Vallarta, it's okay. Right now, state government is doing an effort just for stop this spread, prevent all these actions like get a restaurant very full, or the capacity is like 75% of their capacity, no more of that. Public events are like for 600 people max, something like that. If there is a public space or there is this open area, it's more people. Obviously, I think 3,000 people can stay in a massive event, something like that. For your wedding or for your social events, you can stay 300 people in a closed space, or 600 people on open space. So that's the restriction right now in Puerto Vallarta. The checkpoints are quite, if you don't need to take the temperature, it's okay, but a lot of shopping malls do that, and it's okay. I think it's the best ways to stop this virus. And it's just that Puerto Vallarta is okay. It's great to come here right now. The situation is very, very normal right now. So go ahead with your vacation here in Puerto Vallarta. But I like to be very honest with you in what's happened right now here in Puerto Vallarta. And the health authorities, in order to identify the spreading, will perform 2 evaluations. One in the first week of August, and another in the second. The second it will be in October. Why? Because they want to do the evaluation of what's going on with the spreading of this virus here in Puerto Vallarta, and they're gonna decide. So stay informed with my YouTube channel in the first week of August for give you more information about what's going on. If you have friends living here, ask them what is the situation here, and they're gonna tell you the same. It's very relaxed. Still, your vacation is gonna be pretty good. So, came here to Puerto Vallarta, you still very, very safe. My recommendation: you can still doing some activities like catamarans or zip lines, racer, whatever you want. But if you are a large group, doing with your group only. Try to do your excursion or your activities with your group only. Don't mix it. For just stop the prevent of the coronavirus, and that's all. You will be very, very fine with that. Follow that recommendation. That's it. I'm going to put you more information on the video description about the official information here in Puerto Vallarta. Normally the official information it's for everybody, but not everybody follow that information, so you will see on my video what's going on here in Puerto Vallarta. That's all the information for now, my friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, follow me on my social network, give me an email for get more information about Puerto Vallarta. And if you want to do some tour with me or some tickets for the best tour here in Puerto Vallarta, just email me.